YouTube. It has been a long time. Not because I wanted it to be, but because it just has. I'm going to show you guys a video pretty soon about why I haven't been online. It's a pretty depressing situation because the things that I do in the space that I'm about to show you, it's for work, it's for my career, it's for YouTube. Anything that produces or generates an income takes place down here in my basement. And I haven't had an opportunity to get to work because of this situation. So I'm Derek of These Hands Sports, and of course these hands are coming at you. I'm gonna try to get into a game tonight, this morning I should say. It's actually Saturday morning. I'm gonna try and get into a game of Undisputed, and hopefully it's not loud or what have you, but I'm gonna show you right now what's going on. So we are headed into Anderson's Theater Lounge. This is my basement. And it's gonna look a mess. I wanna show you something really quick here. So here, you guys hear me talk about my dad every once in a while. In the red trunks, that's my dad. He's fighting against Bob Foster for the light heavyweight championship of the world. Just some wonderful pictures, some things that I have available from him, for him, about him here in my basement. It was actually in the room where the gray doors are, and I'll show you guys that here in a second. So this is what's going on. I'm going to get quiet every once in a while because, like I said, this is disappointing. So you can see my carpet pulled back. And right here, that wall that we just showed you, I have had a water leak. Water has been pouring into my house like a faucet when it rains. This has been going on for 4 years now. And I'm at the point where I'm beyond frustrated. The builder has got to do something, and I'm gonna put them definitely in a position to do that, because this video is gonna go live and I'm gonna show everyone without mentioning the builder, because I really want them to get it fixed. I'm not trying to trash them, but I want to show you what is happening. And here's the wall. This is where the leak was coming from. You can see some patch repair stuff there. It's coming from the very top, right at the foundation area of the basement, where it actually begins at the top of the basement. So they're using this product to patch it up, and the product actually is very, very good, because whenever they put it in there, it does stop water from coming, but they haven't made a complete fix. They haven't found the issue. They've located the root cause, but they haven't solved the problem. I'll put it that way. So here's the exercise room. Excuse me again. It's gonna be a mess. So they have torn out walls in my sitting area, torn out walls in the exercise room. I mean, it is truly a mess in here, and this space is really nice. Hey, here's some more pictures of my dad. That bottom one down there, that's Joe Frazier. He sparred with Frazier quite a bit. Actually helped him prepare for bouts against Muhammad Ali and a few other championship matches. Yeah, that's Ray Anderson right there with the furry hooded coat. My dad, he definitely, you know, he was proud of himself, proud of his looks, everything else. But yeah, so this is what I'm dealing with. This equipment is so loud down here. I can't work, and I'm not even showing you the space where I shoot the videos There's another door around this corner here, to the right, where I do all my speed bag is sitting on the daggone floor right there. They took it out of the workout room because they wanted to access that wall. But yeah, like I was saying, this is where I do all my work, and it's disappointing, you know, to be in this type of position because right now I'm not making money for what I do, and it's been maybe 2.5 weeks now. I can't remember when I posted the last video, but that video was pretty much when it was happening. So yeah, but anyway, so as I digress, a little disappointed, but you know what, life goes on, God is good, and I'm gonna keep on moving. So I'm gonna come back in a little bit, set a couple of things up, try and turn down some of the noise or figure out a way to keep the noise down so that we can get into a game of Undisputed. It's been a long time, and I just want to get my hands moving again. I'm probably horrible at the game because it's been so long, but I'm gonna get better. I told you in the beginning when this journey started that I'm gonna be the best on this game, if not the best, definitely one of the best, because I love the sport of boxing, as you saw, for a number of reasons. So here we go. I'm gonna check out for a second and I'll be back. See you in a minute. Peace.